go. Here we go. Oh, that Boeing play would have been money. Run that back, man. Run that back. Run that back. Run that back. Hold on a second, man. Try to run this back real quick. Off that is hitting. CRM. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. CRM going to the target, baby. Let's go. 256 target, my friends. Let's go. CRM. Whew. I'll tell you, man. I'm trying to tell you. Oh my God. CRM calls. Now up 149% on CRM. Let's get it. SPY. Let's go. Whatever you're about to discover. Whatever you're about to discover. You might be something new to you. Man, we're trying to see the future out here, man. Trying to see the future. Man, I'm playing this all day, bro. CRM. Yo. What's happening? What's happening? Jack, what's happening, man? Yeah, we talked about this, bro. He's going to talk. He's watching the charts the same way we're watching the charts, my friend. He had this set up once we broke this level right here. The minute we broke out of this level, he was going to start tweeting because he's watching it. Right. Man, I'm on this off that, man. CRM is pumping right now, man. This is exactly what I wanted to see from CRM. I'm looking at 256.07 on CRM. Whew, we have 245 calls from a couple days ago. Holding on those, man. Right now, calls up 150%, over 150%. 161% right now on these calls and holding. Love it.
Customize every element of your website.
AMC still a little bit shy, a little bit gun shy right now. GME is just preparing itself. This is a reaccumulation, another reaccumulation pattern to potentially push up. So I'm not concerned whatsoever on those two. It's going to take a little while. DDOG is the play of the day, guys. DDOG is about to make some major moves. Just getting on right now. Just had a powwow this morning with the Discord group. They know what's up. Pan W, yeah. Pan W. Also Wall. We've been watching Wall. Had a conversation with Discord about this one as well. It's panning out to be a nice play. Also up about just about a 1% move. Let's see Pan W. You know, the banking industry is having a little bit of a day. Right now, I think it's Palo Alto. Sorry, Pan W. Whew, 4% day. That's a big one. Let's see, off of what, the 5 minute? Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Pan W looks nice. Looks like got a lot of continuation happening. Looks really strong on volume. Big volume. This is basically the first wave happening. This is really nice. Hope you got in on that, man. Let's see. But right now, D-Dog, SPY is going to get some love because we have the debate coming on today. So that's going to be a pretty big data point to be paying attention to, guys. I know we may not all be into politics. However, they play a role in our industry a lot. If you haven't seen that yet, but man, Boeing, big moves, big tune. Jason, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the stream, my man. SPY, doing the thing. I'm trying to tell everybody, man, if you're trying to discover something new, we already off of it, man. we already off that. That's old news. Right now, the talk of the day for me is D-Dog, my friends. D-Dog is the move. Folks, myself and some folks in the Discord are watching this particular play and have entered calls on this particular one. We do our powwows in the morning prior to market open, so we know the play when we know what we're going to get into. And right now, D-Dog has the ability to make some major moves to the upside on a daily breakout that's been building for several years. All right, it's in a very nice trend with a very nice downtrend that's going to break probably over the next few days. And once it does, I'm expecting D-Dog to at least be at 140 by the time we at least get to the next couple of days, with the potential to double in price, sitting at 125. I don't really know much about this company. I've heard of it before. However, the potential on this thing is really crazy. This downtrend breaks. I'm looking at the midline first, 140. Over the next couple of days, probably going into the end of July. And then over the next, I expect D-Dog to run for the next several 6 to 7 months till it gets to where it needs to be, back toward at least $200. So keep an eye on D-Dog if you guys are not familiar with the chart, but do pay attention to it. Right now, my CRM calls was a swing play we took in the Discord. The calls right now are up. We've been in this play for a couple of days now. 245 calls are deep in the money now. So really no worries on this at all. CRM calls are now up 188%. Let's go. Amazon, forget about it, man. Amazon is gone. We talked about this one on stream. We're still sitting at 185 calls right now. This thing in a 10%, a $10 move, $11 move, maybe 12, since we've been discussing it. I mean, we're still eyeing the 1618 at 202. All right, 197 is the first stop, but 202 is the 1618. Looking to go and hit that very soon. Oh, man. This is crazy out here, man. All right, let's see. Who else is up in here? Wade, what's happening, my man? Welcome back to the stream. Always a pleasure, as usual. I mean, so make sure I can be able to be heard here. One, test. Okay, I'm heard. Volume on the music, clear. Okay. Checking levels. All right, good. We are looking great. GME is just fighting right now, trying to break a creek line on the 30-minute. It's going to take a little bit. Kind of chilling. This is accumulation area. We again are in a little bit of a. Just remove this for 1 minute. That's not all. You still see this little bit of a inverse head and shoulders going to play itself out. It's going to tell me is on the brink of doing some things. I want to see the month close out. As long as above $20, there's really no fear for me in this game. Not one bit. But D-Dog, guys, I need this. I cannot stress this enough. If you are not familiar with D-Dog, we're already in. Calls are already moving. Braveheart, what's happening, my man? Welcome back. All right. D-Dog calls. Right now, already, these are a swing for next month. D-Dog calls are already up 10%, 5%. And I also have June 28th calls, which are for tomorrow. This is a little risky. These are already up 15%. Let's see how this plays out. Now, D-Dog, I don't expect a lot to happen because it doesn't have a very big range, but we have major momentum crosses happening with a downtrend, a major downtrend that's set to break. It's already been tested on a couple different occasions. 1, 2, two different occasions it's been tested. This would be the third attempt to break this downtrend. If it breaks a downtrend, I'm looking eyeing 140 easy. And we are on the warpath right now, ready to start to make that happen. TTM squeeze is already flipped on the daily. Good sign. It doesn't have the highest average daily range. It's about 3%. We've already hit today so far roughly about 2.20%, which is the general average for DDOG. So it's a possibility we start to stall out a little bit just around the 126 mark. Oh, yes, sir, I'm here. You already know. Been here 3.5 years and not going anywhere no time soon, man. Appreciate you following along. As far as the videos, been here about video-wise about 2 years and been tweeting like a mother lover for the last 3.5. Everyone understands. I know we're waiting for them to do their thing on GME and AMC. Those are going to take some time, but there's still money out here to be made. Here goes DDOG above 126. DDOG is the play to watch, guys. If you're not interested, if you're not watching, DDOG is the one. This is going to be a yearly. This is a three-year downtrend. October 21st. October 2021. Excuse me. October 19th, 2021. You break this 3-year downtrend, this thing's gonna run and run hard. And that downtrend sits right now currently at, let's see, that breakout it's getting very close. About 127 today. Let's see here if we can get this move. I'm gonna mark it off. We're sitting right about here. Let me change this color, not getting confused with my other support lines and resistance lines. I'm gonna change that to blue. All right, so 127, guys. 127 is the one I'm looking for as the location that's going to make all the difference between a breakout and run or a rejection and retest of this 123.65 level. It's really not far off. We're right around the corner. But boy, we're doing some numbers right now, guys. Let me see here. Yeah, CRM is the one. CRM calls up 192%. Talking new car money right now. Yes. All right, bear with me 1 second here. Make sure everybody in the stream is hearing me. I'm also going to make sure that Discord is up and running and it can still be in contact while we are in this conversation here. All right, we're good on that front. I'm going to go back here. All right, DDOG almost at 126. I need to see 127 break. That would be a beautiful sight to see. All right, anyways, let's go. While that moved to 13, the bottom is in. The bottom has been in. I've been saying the bottom is in. I've gotten a lot of flack and kickback on that. Oh, the bottom's not in. No, it's not. It's not going up. It's still going a penny. All of this and all of that. Blah, blah, blah. No. The bottom has been in. The bottom has been in since 238. That is the bottom. We will not see a bottom anymore. Not in my opinion, not ever. So these opportunities around here are going to be your opportunities to finally make all your cash. Whatever was taken from you will be returned tenfold. All right, I truly believe that, and that's where I stand. So in this particular case, we're looking for AMC to start to make its reversal. The fake out is going to ensue. It's a larger term breakout. Fake out into a breakout. This was by design, I believe. A lot of folks that are looking at this the other way around, looking at fractals, probably would have gotten faked out by based upon a fractal, or what they would assume to be not to be the bottom. Just like this was a fake out down here. This was a fake out. This was a fake out. We are going to repeat the same thing here. This is what I want to make clear. All right, very important to make clear. We're experiencing it the same as we did here. I feel that happened on AMC. It didn't get the full gap fill down to 430, which is what we wanted to see. If it would have lost that level, 403 would have been the double bottom. We did not get the double bottom. It's holding and it's not going to turn around. And the reason to that weekly level, it would have been, if it would have happened, it would have been a very quick wick downwards and shot back up, which would have been what I would have been looking for. However, we didn't get that much. I think it's just been too beaten down. There's too much pressure building that held it in place. So this is kind of what we're experiencing, and this is what we're seeing. It held on to, let me get rid of the drawings, this level right here. This purple line, that's your 12 EMA. This one is the one you want to hold on to, and the higher the time frame, the stronger the support is. So we have to support this if you get above this line. And generally speaking, you're going to get a lot of volatility around this line. This is why we got shot right back up from 433 all the way back up to where we are now, 470 even, 475. It's because this line was such a strong support on the weekly chart, not the short term, not the 3 minute, 5 minute, none of that stuff. We're talking about long-term trajectory and long-term supports. Below this line, you're going to continue to be bearish. You'll be rejected on it several times over if you're below it. But if you are above this line, like we've been rejected several times from it. This is the first time we're holding above it since the Judge Zern news and prior to the 08. So we have not been above and held above this line, especially for this long a time frame, in a very long time. The only other time outside of this would be probably back here in this area. It's pre-2021 squeeze. Now we're good. Experiencing buffering. Let me check that out.